Welcome back, children. I request everyone to close your eyes, close your nose, and also close your mouth. Dear children, what did you realize? Yes, breathe is very important for the survival. We need air to breathe. So, let us learn about the wind. The Wind on the Hill, written by the poet Alan Alexander Milne during 1882 and 1956. He was an English author and playwright. He is best known for his books about Christopher Robin's teddy bear, Winnie the Pooh. He has also written several poems. Dear children, now before we begin with the poem, let's read little bit of vocabulary or knowledge which is related to the poem. Now, can you see this girl? How she is enjoying the air? The wind is lightly blowing her hair. Hair is lightly blowing and the trees are also blowing and little bit of plants, trees are also blowing. And can you look at this picture? Here also the wind is lightly blowing and little bit of leaves are falling down. When we have very light wind blowing, the wind is not very fast but it's very light wind that is blowing. That wind is called breeze. I hope you will remember when the wind is lightly blowing and it's not strong wind, it's light wind that is blowing and everybody enjoying. So that type of wind is known as breeze. Next, let's see this picture. Can you see how her hairs are blowing? Here and there. Her umbrella is also going out of control. Her dress is going out of control. Now, when we have a very strong wind, at times it happens, no? Yes. Here I am going to recite the poem, The Wind on the Hill. Let us recite the poem. Children, read along with me. No one can tell me, nobody knows where the wind comes from, where the wind goes. It's flying from somewhere as fast as it can. I could not keep up with it, not if I ran. But if I stopped holding the string of kite, it would blow with the wind for a day and night. And then when I found it, wherever it blew, I should know that the wind had been going there too. So then I could tell them where the wind goes. But where the wind comes from, nobody knows. Dear children, in this poem, the poet is trying to know the direction of the wind. To know the direction of the wind, from where it comes and where it goes. So finding the direction of wind, poet is having an idea and he used a kite with the string and blew the kite. Poet tries to run behind the kite to know the direction of wind, but the wind was blowing there too. Only we can know in which direction wind is blowing, but from where the wind comes from, nobody knows. Dear children, note down the rhyming words. Nose, goes. Me, see. Can, ran. Kite, night. Blew, flew. Dear children, before concluding, I would like to ask you one question. Did you like or dislike the poem? Give reasons for your answer. Take this as your homework. Thank you. Bye-bye.